13m plus 4n into bracket 9m minus n. Solution. We have 13m plus 4n into bracket 9m minus n. So the first thing to do is to use the first term in the first binomial expression to multiply the whole of second binomial expression. And the first term in the first binomial expression is 13m. We use 13m to multiply 9m minus n. Now, the next thing is to use the second term in the first binomial expression, which is 4n, to multiply the second binomial expression. The next thing for us to do is to expand the bracket. Expanding the bracket, we use the first expression here, which is 13m, to multiply the first term. Now, 13 times 9. 13 times 9, that is 9 times 3, we have 27. So we carry 2. Now, 9 times 1, we have 9. 9 plus 2, that is 11. So this means that 13 times 9 will give us 117. So m times m, we have m squared. We are going to use that same 13m to multiply minus n. Now, we have minus times plus 13, that is minus 1. This is like minus 1 here. The coefficient of n here is minus 1. So minus 1 is multiplying 13, so we have what? Minus 13. Then m times n, we have mn. Now, we move to the second part of this algebraic expression. Now, we have plus 4n. Plus 4n times 9m. So 4 times 9 is 36. Now n times m is nm, which is the same thing as mn. Now we use that same 4n to multiply minus n, and that will give us minus 4, because plus times minus will give us minus. So we have minus 4n squared as the last term. Now we have 4 terms also, but the two terms are the middle. That is the two middle terms. We have minus 13mn and 36mn. They are like terms. Hence, we add them together. Now, we have 170m squared minus 13 plus 36 is the same thing as 36 minus 13. And 36 minus 13 will give us 23. So we have here plus 23 mn at the middle. Then minus 4n squared. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.